just my tiny little mind, taking its time, making it up on the fly as it wanders, analysing every nuance it encounters. It's never got enough and it don't give up, and I just got myself caught up in a web of lies. Spidey spinning something special, sending me sky high. The dark night's getting brighter, gotta fight the temperature to start the chapter. I turn the pages, I'm an open book, me, but it feels like ages since someone's had a look-see, being chronologically compromised. Everything's front to back, gotta toughen up to crap, turn up the stereo. I can see it's clearer on the other side, but once the pennies dropped, I get all tongue-tied, hazed and dazed, and made a wish, caught a fish, but it bit me. Let it stick, got the ick, and then it hit me. Spun into the street, didn't see